Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that Modelica users might encounter. The issue revolves around the test case annotation, a nifty feature introduced in Modelica language 3.5 in early 2021. Users have reported difficulties using it with dymola or openmodelica. One frustrated user shared a sample code where the simulation fails, despite the presence of the test case annotation. They're seeking guidance on how to make it function properly on these platforms. Sounds like a classic problem that many can relate to. Now, let's explore the solution to the test case annotation challenge. In the provided code snippet, the key lies in structuring the models within a package that is checked. By including the experiment annotation with specific parameters such as stop time, you can ensure that the simulation behaves as expected. Additionally, setting the shouldPass parameter to false in the test case annotation allows for effective testing. Remember, models without experiment annotations might be skipped during simulation, so keep that in mind for a seamless testing experience. In summary, tackling the test case annotation issue in Modelica involves strategic utilization of package organization and experiment annotations. By incorporating these elements into your models, you can navigate around simulation failures and ensure smooth testing processes. And there you have it. We've covered the problem, delved into the solution, and shed light on optimizing your Modelica experience. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember, in the world of Modelica, every problem has a solution. Happy modeling!